Bruges, Belgium. Hi viewers, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you the interesting places that you should consider visiting in Bruges, Belgium. As a traveler, I know you've traveled to different cities in Europe, but I doubt if you've ever visited the city of Bruges in Belgium before. Bruges is a fairy tale destination with its winding cobblestone streets, character architecture, sweet chocolate shops, and atmospheric pubs. Bruges is the epitome of European charm and appeal. Belgium is not a well-known country, and that's why people hardly travel to this country. But if I tell you that there are so many interesting places that will blow your mind in this city, would you believe me? In today's video, I'm going to share with you the list of interesting places that you might consider visiting. So whether you're looking to party the night away, indulge in muscles, or need a comfortable room for your family of four, this list has everything you need to know about where to stay in Bruges. Number 1, take a boat ride along the canals. If you want to enjoy your stay in Bruges, a boat ride along the canals is enough to make your day. These 30-minute boat trips take you through the famous canals to find the secret corners and hidden beautiful places that are the city's best-kept secrets. These charming tours are a wonderful way to experience Bruges from a new perspective and allow for some great photo opportunities of the historic homes and magnificent trees along the journey. Number 2, city center. This is where you can stay in Bruges for the first time. If you're visiting Bruges for the first time, then there's no better place to stay than the city center. The beating heart of the city, this neighborhood gives off charm and character thanks to its winding streets and alleys, distinct architectural style, heritage shops, and historical landmarks. Not only that, the city center is home to Bruges' most famous attractions, including the City Hall and the Belfort Tower. It's almost where you can indulge in delicious and traditional Belgian and Flemish meals, as well as local brews and delectable treats. So whether you're a culture vulture, history buff, fearless foodie, or something in between, Bruges City Center is the perfect place for you to feed your eyes, mind, and stomach. What do you need to do in this city center? You can do many things, like choosing from a wide range of beers at Les Trappiste, an 800-year-old beer cellar, climbing to the top of the 83 meters tall Belfort and enjoying the amazing city views, dining on incredible local dishes at the Zwart Hui, exploring the stunning market square, hunting for treasures at the Denver Folklore Market, and many more. Number 3, Ezelstraat Quarter. The Ezelstraat Quarter is located in northwestern Bruges. It is a short walk from the city center and is best known for Ezelstraat Street, which is an 800-year-old lane that is today one of the hippest places in the city, packed with everything from Scandinavian design stores and trendy boutiques to colorful art galleries and artisanal bakers. The Ezelstraat Quarter is without a doubt one of Bruges' best neighborhoods. What do you need to do in this city center? You can do many things, like admiring the decor and gardens at St. Constantine and Helena Orthodox Church, dining on excellent European fare at Koch au Vin, feasting on great ribs, seafood, steak, and more at Ribs and Beer, indulging in incredible sweet and delicious chocolates at Chocolatier Spiegelia, marveling at the architecture and design of Carmelientine Cloister, or satisfying your sweet tooth at Croissant Airy Ortiz, and more. Number 4, Sint Anna Quarter. Sint Anna is a peaceful quarter located outside of the city center. It is a web of cobblestone lanes and alleys and is primarily where Bruges' blue-collar workers live. This part of the city simply bursts with charm, and because it's outside of the city center, it's one of the best places in Bruges to stay to escape the crowds of tourists. It's in Sint Anna that you'll also find some of the best nightlife in the city. From great food to fun drinks, the Sint Anna Quarter has everything you could possibly want and more. What do you need to do in this city center? You can do many things, like sipping a glass of local beer at lively and amazing Pro Dio, feasting on exquisite French and Belgian dishes at Saint Cravate, exciting your senses at Gazlike, trying the meatballs, croquets, and stew at Restaurant César, enjoying a cozy meal any time of day at Sint Anna, sipping traditional Flemish drinks, beers, and cocktails at De Windmolen, and more. Number 5, Sint Gilles Quarters. The St. Gilles Quarter is one of the coolest places to stay in Bruges. This beautiful and hip district is located north of the city center and is right across the canal from lively Market Square. It offers an excellent escape for travelers looking for a break from the traffic and tourists without taking you too far away from the action and adventures of central Bruges. When it comes to winning and dining, St. Gilles is one of the best in Bruges. In this awesome place, you'll find a great selection of eateries, bistros, cafes, and canteens that will cater to travelers of all tastes, styles, and budgets. Here are what you need to do here. Dine on delicious mussels and more at the Ries Duif. Eat, drink, and enjoy a fantastic evening at De Calvaryberg. Enjoy a fantastic evening and a great meal at Tom's Diner. Feast on the fresh Flemish fare at Todd Handbogenhof. Go for a peaceful stroll through lush and relaxing St. Paul, or sip drinks at Guest House Orchid, and many more. Number 6. Magdalena Quarter. The Magdalena Quarter is a large residential neighborhood located south of the city center. It is a safe, clean, and quiet quarter that is known for its recreation and relaxation. At the Magdalena Quarter, you can enjoy a breath of fresh air thanks to its many lush parks and fun playgrounds, as well as its canal-side paths and tranquil, winding streets. From world-class museums and interesting art galleries to outdoor adventures and delicious restaurants, the Magdalena Quarter is truly a neighborhood with something for everyone. What do you need to do in this city center? You can do many things like climbing to the top of Gent Fort to enjoy the amazing views, dining on succulent Mediterranean fare Pomperloot, enjoying an afternoon of sunshine, nature, and play at Astrid Park, feasting on a sweet and delicious breakfast at Sansevieria Bagel Salon, going for a stroll through Mine Water Park, and more. Now that this video has cleared your doubts about Bruges, would you love to give it a try? If yes or no, let us know in the comment section down below. And that's what we have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below your thoughts, leave a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more updates.